Hi, I'm JT with WTI, and I'm going to tell you why this plastic welder kit from Miotorio is an easy decision to add to any tool collection. The first thing I used this on was some garbage cans that had cracked really bad from being used probably a little too roughly. The staples heat up quick, and after releasing the trigger, the gun quickly cools down enough for the next staple. After snipping off the ends, I used the smoothing tip to melt the surface plastic over the crack. Where I couldn't get a close enough snip, I used an angle grinder to smooth any points that still stuck out. A metal file would work just as well. After 3 weeks of use and 6 garbage pickups, I haven't seen any signs that this repair is going to fail, so I'm calling it a success. It's probably stronger now with the metal reinforcement, but that's just a guess. My guess is I used about 100 staples across 3 garbage cans, and replacements for these are really inexpensive. I love that it came with a hard case to keep all the pieces together. The kit comes with 800 hot staples and some plastic rods, depending on what you need. Honestly, I feel like this tool is in the same conversation as WD-40 and duct tape. If you have one, you'll use it many times over. If you don't, you'll wish you did. But that's just my point of view.